How to download MetaTrader 5 application on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download MetaTrader application on your Android. So if you are into the trading, so what you can simply do is to download MetaTrader application. Simply open your Play Store from your device just like this and simply click on this search, and from over here just searching for MetaTrader application. So once you click on it, you will be seeing the latest MetaTrader application on your Play Store. You can confirm it by seeing the total number of downloads. As you can see, it has over 10 million plus downloads. So simply click on install and wait for some time for it to be downloaded and installed on your device. Depending upon your internet connection, your download speed might be slow or fast. So just wait for few seconds, and just like that, simply click on open and click on accept, and you have to create your demo account, or you can also open your official account from here. So that is it for today guys. That's exactly how you can easily download your MetaTrader 5 application on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.